Don't miss Windsor, Missouri. Today, on the recommendation of our friends, we stopped in at the Boyz Auto Shop to get a little bit of work done on Olive. After dropping the van off, we left on our bikes in search of service so Danny could get some work done. Luckily, we stumbled onto Farrington City Park. It was awesome. Situated on a little lake, this park had so much to offer. Tons of gazebos with power, a disc golf course, well-maintained bathrooms, a few playgrounds, and miscellaneous sports courts. Most exciting, though, is it's right next to the start of the Katy Trail. The trail is about 240 miles long and runs between Clinton and Machins. It has 26 trailheads and 4 fully restored railroad depots along the way. It's a well-maintained gravel trail perfect for walking or biking. On the small stretch we were able to do, we saw so much wildlife. So, if you're ever in the area,